about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my beach condo. Come on in, let me show you around. So as we are walking in, the girls are running around going crazy. But as we are walking in, this is our shower, our bathroom. So we have a nice little glass shower going on here. Some quick little cabinets in here. And then headed down this hallway, we have our first bedroom. The girls are playing in here. So we have a view here of the boardwalk. So you can see a nice view of the boardwalk here. TV, a dresser here. So come on to the next bedroom. So this is a 2-bedroom condo. So this is, I guess, the master bedroom. So we have like a queen size bed in here. So we have a view of the marina here. So then over here we got our little closet, look, ironing board, all that jazz in here. We have our dresser and TV. And then let's head out to the living room space. So down this hallway is leading into our living room / kitchen.
This is my kitchen.
So we have a beautiful view of the marina behind us. All the boats are just out there. All the boats are just hanging out there. We have our living room area here. Tatiana said this is her gaming setup. So she's gonna be gaming here. I'm probably gonna be hosting in this area. And then over here we have our kitchen. This is our refrigerator. The top portion is the refrigerator, and then under here is our freezer. Then we just have a microwave and some pantry storage in there. Down here to our sink, we have some cabinets here with plates and bowls in there, dishwasher, and then we have our full kitchen stove and oven here. So, welcome to our crib. This is going to be exciting. So look forward to seeing some day in the lives here and just hanging out with us. Welcome to our condo.